In a world that moves at the speed of a fiber optic cable, where everything is instant and nothing is permanent, why do we still obsess over a machine that relies on a tiny, coiled spring? A smartwatch can tell you your heart rate, your emails, and the weather in Tokyo. It is a miracle of engineering, certainly. But a mechanical watch? It tells a different story. It tells a story of who you are, where you've been, and exactly where you stand in the hierarchy of the modern world. This is more than just an industry. It is the last bastion of permanent craft in a disposable age. It is a heartbeat you can wear on your sleeve. The watch industry isn't just growing, it's evolving into a parallel economy. What started as a functional tool for divers, pilots, and explorers has transformed into a multi-billion-dollar asset class. In the last decade, we've seen a fundamental shift in how the world views horology. Watches are no longer just accessories, they are hard assets. While currencies fluctuate and global markets tremble, a steel sports watch from Geneva remains a universal language of value. The wait lists are years long, and the secondary market has become a high-stakes battlefield. But why? Because in an era of infinite digital mass production, true physical scarcity is the ultimate luxury. You aren't just buying a timepiece, you are buying a piece of a finite history. Look at a person's wrist, and you're looking at their personality. The choice of a watch is a silent manifesto, a declaration of values made without saying a word. A vintage Cartier suggests a respect for heritage, a love for understated elegance, and a refusal to shout. A bulky, over-engineered diver speaks of ambition, a thirst for adventure, and a readiness for the elements. It's a social shorthand that transcends language. In the boardroom, a specific reference can close a deal before the first handshake. It signals membership in an exclusive club, a group of people who value the invisible effort of a master watchmaker over the loud, flickering flash of a digital screen. It's about the weight of history and the gravity of intent. Time is the great equalizer, but how we track it defines our class. From the humble Casio F91W, a masterpiece of functional design worn by students and billionaires alike, to the six-figure complications of the ultra-elite, the watch industry has a tier for every soul. But the lines are blurring. We are seeing a profound democratization of horology. A new generation of collectors is entering the market, valuing the mechanical soul over digital convenience. Whether it's a Seiko or a Rolex, the shared appreciation for gears, springs, and the laws of physics creates a bridge across social divides. It's one of the few spaces left where a shared passion can outweigh a bank balance. It's a community built on the appreciation of the difficult. Then came the Apple Watch. The industry held its breath. Many wondered, was this a second quartz crisis? Would the silicon chip finally kill the mechanical heart? For a moment, it seemed inevitable. But something strange happened. Instead of replacing the mechanical watch, the smartwatch highlighted exactly why we need it. A smartwatch is a gadget. It has a shelf life. In 3 years, it's obsolete. In 5, it's electronic waste. But a mechanical watch is eternal. It doesn't need a software update. It doesn't need a charger. It only needs a movement of your arm to stay alive. The smartwatch tells you the time. The mechanical watch makes you feel the passage of it. One is a tool for the moment, the other is a companion for a lifetime. So what lies ahead? The future of the watch industry isn't in more features, it's in more soul. As our lives become increasingly virtual and detached, the demand for the physical, the tactile, and the permanent will only grow. We will see more sustainable materials, more daring designs, and a deeper connection between the maker and the wearer. The mechanical watch isn't a relic of the past, it is a compass for the future. Because as long as humans value craft, history, and the steady, reassuring beat of a mechanical heart, the industry will not just survive, it will thrive. Time is fleeting. It is the only thing we truly own. Make sure yours is well kept,